Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the dot wave stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 5. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You would then make 1 single crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. We'll start by making 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches. We're ready to make the sequence of this row. We're going to be alternating between sets of 4 double crochet and 4 single crochet. We just made our single crochets for this row. We started with 3. So now we're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to make 1 single crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Now we need to make a double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Now we need to make a single crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Now we need to make a double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Work 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're going to be making the same sequence. We're just going to be working the opposite stitches. So into previous double crochets, we're going to make single crochets, and then into previous single crochets, we're going to make double crochets. So skip the first stitch in this row, into each of the next 4 stitches, or 4 double crochet, work 1 single crochet into each. Into each of the next previous single crochet, work 1 double crochet into each. Into each of the next previous double crochet, work 1 single crochet into each. Into each of the next single crochet, there's 4 of them right here, work 1 double crochet into each. Into each of the next previous double crochet, work 1 single crochet into each. At the end of our row, we have 3 single crochet, work 1 double crochet into each of those. So that's just 1, 2, and 3 to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 2 chains. So in row 2, we established our sequence of the 4 double crochet and then the 4 single crochet, alternated from there. In row 3, we made the opposite stitches of those, so we made double crochet into singles and then singles into doubles. And you can see how it's making this wavy box pattern. It's going to end up being little boxes in the end. We're going to make those in this row, but right now we have this little wavy pattern. And then for row 4, we're going to be making these stitches that we made in row 3. So we're going to work doubles into doubles and singles into singles. So these 2 chains count as a double crochet, so you're going to skip this first stitch. We have 2 double crochet right here, so you're going to make a double crochet into each of those. Because right now we're just starting with the 3, because that's what we ended on. Now we've come to some previous single crochets. So into each of those single crochets, we're going to match them and make a single crochet into each. We've come to our next set of previous double crochet. You're going to make a double crochet into each of these previous stitches. We've come to our next set of previous single crochet. Work a single crochet into each of these 4 stitches. We've come to our next set of previous double crochet. Work a double crochet into each stitch of the next 4 stitches. We've come to our last set of previous single crochet. Work a single crochet into each of the last 4 stitches. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, and 4 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the dot wave stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.